at the pharmacy.
Hi, I'm looking for some allergy medication. My nose has been running like crazy lately.
Sure, I can help with that. Do you have any specific symptoms you're experiencing, like itchy eyes or sneezing?
Mostly just a runny nose and some congestion.
Okay, we have a few options. There are some over-the-counter antihistamines that can help with those symptoms. Or, if you'd prefer something more natural, we have some nasal sprays with saline solution.
I think I'd like to try an antihistamine first. Which one would you recommend?
This one is a popular choice. It's non-drowsy and works for up to 24 hours.
Great, I'll take that one.
Anything else you need today?
No, that's all. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.